Good morning everybody. Today we are going to start Photoshop classes. So press to open. My name is Shivkumar Giripanavar. Yes, we are going to learn about Photoshop. To open a Photoshop, hold down a Windows key on your keyboard and press R. Then you'll get a run window. Then type here Photoshop 7.0. That should be installed in your computer before. If it is not installed in your computer, please ask your hardware engineer to install it. Okay, it is asking for a new file. I will press a cancel button. This is called as a first main window. This is main top of the window. Top Photoshop is called as a title bar. This is minimize button. This is maximize button. This is X means close button. Minimize button means if you press this one, it will come and sit down into the taskbar. If you press again, then it will restore it. Then below the title bar, this is called as a file menu, edit menu, image menu, layer menu, select menu, filter menu, view menu, window menu, help menu. These are called as the menu bars. This is below the menu. You will get here. This is called as a option bar. When we select particular, this is called as a toolbox. If you click on particular tool, the related properties of the tool will be appeared on the option bar. First we'll learn about a marquee tool. If you hold down if you go and move the cursor on this first type picture, it will display his name, rectangular marquee tool, or you have to press M on your keyboard. I will open it. I will select one picture. To make changes, if you make changes in this picture, you will not get again original copy. So better what you have to do, go to image menu and click on duplicate, then click on OK. Then you will get the copy. Here you are getting the copy of the same picture. Click close on the original picture. Then select marquee tool. If you hold down the mouse pointer on it, then you will get these type of options here. One is rectangular marquee tool, another one is elliptical marquee tool, another one is single row marquee tool, that is single column marquee tool. First we will study this one, rectangular marquee tool. What you have to do, you have to select the picture in a, it will help to select the picture in a rectangular shape. Then go and click on copy and go to file and click on open. We'll open any images here. Click on this and go to edit and paste it here. Okay, now what we have to do sorry, to make the picture resize, you have to go to this button. This is called as a move tool. If you click on the move tool, now this picture can be movable anywhere, but we are not getting the options to resize it. So to get the option to resize the picture, here in the option bar we are getting show rounded box. You have to click on show rounded box. Then you get the square round handles. then click on here and make the picture sizable, resize the picture and click on to get the effect, click on enter button. Now again I will go to file menu and click on open. Again I will select this picture and click on open. Now again I will go to marquee tool. Now I will select elliptical shape. I will select this one and go to edit menu, select copy and come again here and go to edit menu and paste. Then to make the resize, click on again move tool, you'll get the handles, you'll make the picture resize. Okay, to get the effect press enter. Now I will make this picture blue color boy to make big size, but it is not coming. So because here go to window menu and click on layers because the Photoshop treats every picture as every page. Now you will see here, this is layer 2 whatever the picture we have selected. If I select layer 1 means we can resize the picture of the layer 1. Sorry, if you wanted to resize the picture of this boy, again you have to click on layer 2 and click OK, enter. Like that we have to if you select the layer, we can resize the particular picture. To make automatically select the picture which we are going to select, you have to press this icon here, auto select layer on. This should be on. Then if you select this layer, it will we can make the size resizable. If you select this picture, automatically it will select the picture and it will appear the resizable option. Okay, now I will make this picture to appear. I will make the click on opacity and makes little bit down. The photo quality of the picture will be merged in a background. Okay, I will select this picture and make opacity little bit down. Okay, like that the rectangular marquee tool and elliptical marquee tool will work. Rectangular marquee tool will help to select the picture in a rectangular shape. Elliptical marquee tool will help to select the picture in a elliptical shape. This we will going to study it in next coming classes. It will select the single row marquee tool, means like that you have to it will help to select. We will study it in later. To select the if you select the this to go, click on Control D, it will deselect it. If you select this picture, to make it deselect, go here and click on deselect, it will deselect it. Okay, in the next classes we will going to study some of these tools, next coming tools, lasso tool, magic wand tools, like that. Keep watching. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Like that we are giving paid courses also. In that we will teach step by step. If you wanted to make join, you can join. Thank you, one and all.